Righty, oh mate. Okay, so let's get into the moves today. No trades, no setup, no problem. We're just going to review what we've seen happen. So from yesterday, model played clean out going into the PM session. Previous daily high got hit around here. So yeah, that means there you go. That's the model right there. Absolutely beautiful stuff. Today it's not formed, like there's nothing here to form the model, you got an inverse fair value gap here, but then again price doesn't displace down, and you know what I mean, it's just bullish price action there, so there's no need for it to go any lower. So at the moment all we're going to be doing is stepping back from the charts and just observing, waiting for the right market conditions to show themselves. But yeah, main learning point this week so far is this is prime setup right here. Entry on the retracement back into the fair value gap, or you can enter here, target previous daily high. So lovely. So in terms of the actual move, what do we get today? So in Asia session, sort of manipulated down, accumulated a little bit during London. Tiny bit of manipulation here, and then distribution downwards slightly. I guess it's not really any massive moves, to be honest. 1, 2, 3. I mean, you could take this fair value gap retracement here if you were just trading normal and not a model or anything. You could go for the classic. Where's the short position? There we go. So you just tap that. Stop above here. What would you target? I suppose London lows have already been swept there. What would you look at? I mean, you could look at this fair value gap here, if that even gets tapped. Yeah, I mean, you could target that. Like, you'd still be in the trade right now. That would be a nice, 3.2 to 1. But, that's not my model, so I'm not touching that. Lots of CPI news today. And then I think tomorrow we've got a bit more news. So we'll see how we go there. Bitcoin's had a bit of a pullback since yesterday. So I would anticipate that, we trade into this here around a 114K, unless the price action is just completely determined to go up. So yeah, either way, that's going to do what it's going to do. S&P has broken down a bit more, to be fair. What are we looking at here? We've got a 15-minute inverse fair value gap here. Let's have a look. And then you could take, what could you take as an entry here? Where's the breaker structure? Displays through here. Why is that in blue? Fuck. And then from there, 1, 2, 3, drop into the 5-minute. You would be looking for an entry. I mean, you could take this entry here. Put that as a fair value gap. And then the model would be looking something like this. I have a feeling this wouldn't be the greatest risk to reward. But at the same time, you could do that. Target previous daily low, going in for more of a swing trade. 3.2 to 1. I missed that, to be honest. And yeah, so that's another move you could take there. Obviously, you've got to take into account that once we close out the PM session, previous daily high and low will update. Previous daily high will be up here, and low will be wherever it gets to. So you can see we've got this nice imbalance down here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come down, maybe sweep the. Oh, we've got relative equal lows here. Yeah, that's looking like a pretty clean sweep. What we're looking at on the 4 hour. Yeah, it didn't quite clear these relative equal lows, so I would imagine the price is going to come down, sweep those, and then we'll see continued move up, depending on the daily chart. I mean, yeah, a lot of consolidation at the moment. Whether we pull back before the big move up, or this is price sort of chilling out before a final sweep, and then negative action or bearish action, then time will tell. And yeah, just looking at this at the moment, you could have got in here. That would have actually been quite a nice trade. But yeah, 1.18% on that. £65 for 209. That's all right, but obviously not in that. So with that being said, yeah, that's going to do it for me today. Come back tomorrow, see what's going on. And yeah, with that being said, again and again, trade safe, trade smart, trade your model, don't be a muppet.